Hello, I am Yi Song, the owner of Holly Balance Wellbeing Center. I am the only practitioner in America to offer this particular herbal pain spray formula to my patients. I recently discovered the pain spray while studying in China and brought it over to the United States. It is very effective in enhancing the effects of acupuncture when people have various pain conditions.
I use the pain spray because I really like the immediate result, and I use it before I go running and when I get back from running, and maybe one other time during the day with a heating pad, and it's incredibly helpful to have such an immediate result. I'm really happy that Dr. Song has this option for me.
And she also provided us pain spray, which I used every night on my fingers and feet and on my shoulder, which was like a miracle.
It is especially good for arthritis and sports injuries. The pain spray has 30 herbal ingredients, and one particular ingredient has a superior penetrating property. The penetrating ingredient guides other herbs in this pain spray deeply into the joint and the muscle to reduce the inflammation, relieve the pain, and thereby promote the healing of the joint or muscle where the inflammation, pain, and damage is.
I think the pain spray is amazing. I don't remember anything ever working so quickly. When I apply it with the applicator and put it on my arm, it seems to take immediate effect. It's very soothing, and it lasts for quite a while.
The difference between this pain spray and other topical pain relieving products in the market is that it doesn't just temporarily alleviate the pain, but promotes the healing of the joint and muscle so that the root cause of the pain is corrected. When combined with heat, many people get amazing long-lasting pain relief and the healing of chronic pain conditions.
I would definitely recommend the pain spray to anyone who has acute pain, muscle stiffness. It's certainly been a part of my treatment here at Holly Balance, and I highly recommend it.
Please check our website for a complete list of services we offer and conditions we treat. Please call us if you have any questions regarding acupuncture, Chinese herbal medicine, and other Chinese medicine therapies. We strive to offer the best service in Chinese medicine to make a difference in your health, aging, and longevity.